Right, yeah, I've just started recording now. Right, and I've logged into your eBay. So, do you have Shang Fu's price list with you?
It's not available because it's on his desktop. I just crashed, so it's trying to send it to you. Yeah.
Shall I just go on eBay and find one and pick one out, and then I know he's got them in stock anyway.
Yes, exactly. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, because I'll just pick one product out. Right. So he's definitely got this one. This one here. Let's have a look. The quad core, 10-inch tablet. You would have seen that in the price list. I feel a bit uncomfortable copying all his description though. I'll tell you what. If we just copy this bit, just for now, and then we can change, and then we can add bits to that later on. I just want to show you how to get this template up and running. Right, so if I click here, underneath the image it says "Sell it yourself." Right, now, once you've clicked on that, it automatically puts all this title in there for you, so you don't need to worry about that. It fills in the brand name, the size of the memory, and if you scroll down, you see this big box. You click on HTML. Yeah, and then you get that code that that you've given me earlier today.
Yeah.
So you get this code. God, it's massive, isn't it? Never seen a code like this before. Right.
Why is it bad or good?
It just seems really big. Right. So let's have a look. Right, so I've just added the code in there. Here, where you say just underneath features in this tag boot, you're putting the features of the actual product in there. Let's tidy this up a bit because otherwise it's going to look a little bit messy. I've never seen a template like this before. Never worked with these sort of templates. Here you should be able to just, let's have a look. So you've got to put your description here, the tagline. So if we go up to here, I think I can make it look better without this, to be honest with you. Alright. See, at the moment you haven't got the other categories there yet. So you can't add that yet, can you? Right.
Yeah,
Or you can put it under mini laptops.
Pardon?
And can you put it under mini laptops? Is that a laptop you're trying to list?
but is it tablet? Is the laptop and tablet?
Yeah, we can change the name
Yeah,
afterwards.
yeah.
That's easy.
And I can change it after this, but you can put on this that category.
Right. Let's get an image. Yeah, so basically when you list the image, just look around for the best image to use. Just put the price in. Put good till cancelled basically carries on unlimited, which means every 30 days it would just automatically relist if it hasn't sold.
So we charge us listing fee every 30 days.
Yeah, every 30 days, yeah. But at the moment it's come up here 0 fees, so they might have free insertion fees at the moment. You owe £25 before. That might be for a shop, or you might have started listed stuff already.
That's a £25. Yeah, charge for linkless store, I think.
Yeah. Right, so this is... So this is quite clever actually. What that script that you've got actually.
Yeah.
It looks quite nice, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Like when I view your item, you view your listing. Okay, this here needs a little bit tidied up, and I can show you how to do that. But when they click on like your categories, yeah, you know, it takes you to this nice page. Yeah, and then you list your products and your accessories, smartphone and accessories underneath. So if I go back and I'll click on something different, mini laptop, then it brings you to the mini you haven't actually got any products listed in there at the moment, so.
Are you going to list?
Well, no, we've already we just listed one, didn't we?
Yeah, we just listed one, but what we're going to do now is go back and tidy that up a bit.
Oh, okay. And what is then showing our store?
Yeah, I'll show you how to do that.
Okay. Let's tidy up.
Alright,
It's
so,
not
well, when you log in, you up the top right hand corner it says My eBay.
Yep.
And then to the left hand side here, where it says Active,
Yeah.
you'll be able to see the product that we've just listed. You click on that, click on the actual product.
Yep.
And then what you do then, up the top left hand corner it says Revise Your Item.
Yeah.
Yeah, so if you click on that, and scroll down. So if we want to add a nice video in there, I'll show you what to do. Right, so if you go on Google, no, on YouTube.
Yep.
Right, now I'm going to type this product into YouTube, and then I'm going to try and find a good video to put in there.
Yeah.
Right, where is it? So let's find something smart, a nice video. It always helps because sometimes people just can't be bothered to read it. You know, if you've got a nice video in there, it does make a big difference. So, 10-inch quad core, 32 gig. This one here looks nice. And then what you do then, let me just double check to make sure it's recording. Yep. Then what you do then, once you found a video, just underneath the video it will say share. You click on share, and then underneath share it will say embedded. You click on embedded, right, and then make sure the bottom box is ticked, and the bottom box will say use ode embedded code. Make sure that's on there. And then you click on copy, and then what you do then, you go back to the eBay listing. So if you go back to this eBay listing, right, let me turn that off. Right, so go back to the eBay listing. We can choose where we want the video to. So if you want the video here, you could put it there. So that's the first thing that they see straight away. or we could have it in the description here.
Yeah.
So let's try in the description. So what we need to do is put a couple spaces under here, then put loads of zeros here, yeah? Because that's where we want the video, that's basically where we want the video to. So what I'm going to do now is go to the HTML at the top, and then I'm going to try and find where I put all those zeros. So I'm going to scroll down. If you see those zeros, let me know. Right. Oh, there it is. See? So now what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put that code that I got from the YouTube into there. I'm going to paste it in there. So I've done that. So what I'm going to do now is go back to the standard. Right, and there's my video. So now I'm going to get rid of these zeros. Right, so there's a nice video in there, and I'm going to resize that. Oh, didn't mean to do that. I'm going to scroll back down, and then I'm going to save that, and I'm going to see what it looks like. And I'm just going to keep doing this a couple times, just keep tweeting it around, just to make it look absolutely perfect. And then scroll down, and I press submit revisions. Right, so it's worth spending a little bit of extra time on each listing, getting it look really nice. Alright, so I've done that. So there's the video. Bear in mind, this here would look a bit better once, you know, we've written up a nice description for there. So that would look a bit smarter. That video there, I'm going to make that a little bit bigger so it comes along, and it's going to be like proper square here. I'm going to do that in a minute.
Okay.
And if you look, this here, for some reason, this image should be working, shouldn't it?
Yeah. What is that? And the title is tablet. I think that's a slider for our shop. It just somehow doesn't come out here.
Yeah. Yeah. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to copy this image. So you click on the main image and press copy, and click on revise. And I'll scroll down. Right, there should be an image here somewhere. Right, so if I click that, just remove that image, and I'm going to paste this image in. Alright, how do I resize it? Where's that YouTube video? There it is. Right, so I'm going to make it bigger now. So width, height, around about 7, 7.4. Width, I know, on to the 5. 7. There's a 5. Go back. There you are. See? The video's put in there nice now, isn't it? Look at the size of that. Just fits in there nice and perfect. Right, so da-da-da-da. Yeah, you've got to write about us here. I'm going to write this in big
Yeah.
so that can be done later. So,
No, this is about. Hold up.
James,
yeah,
about us that you're writing, the guy has already done about us for us. There is an about us link. There should be. Yeah. See about us over there? Right next to the home. Yeah.
okay, I'll put that in there now.
Oh, so you usually add that into the product listing.
Yeah,
That's good. Marketing.
right, so that's done. Have you got the shipping done as well? Did he do that for you?
We didn't add any text there.
Did it? I don't know. We didn't.
Oh yeah, we just add one
Yeah,
one
we-
sentence.
Yeah, we had something.
FAQ, there's nothing there.
All right. Well, that can be added because you know, depending on which products you sell, it'll be different, won't it, for each supplier that you choose to sell.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, so you can't just come up with it straight away, I suppose.
Yeah. So you have to listen to the
So now we just have all those empty boxes at the top that we need to get rid of.
Right. Let's have a look. Let's see what it's going to be like. So once you start adding other products, you know, we can start putting those products into here, into this box down the bottom. At the moment, these are like dummy products, aren't they?
Yeah, they are. They are.
The shampoo has got
Yeah, but I want that. Look, you can leave that.
So we know how to now add product into this.
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah. If I was you, I'd remove these ones at the top here because they look a bit messy. So I'm gonna go back. It's just fine tuning it all, really. You know, just tidying it up, putting extra photos in, and moving things around, and eventually it just look perfect and it just convert very well. Right, so let's scroll down, move this. Right, I'm just trying to get the image of that product to put in the top.
Okay. No worries.
Oh, can you see my screen? Can you see my screen? Yeah. Alright.
Yeah.
Yeah, just a minute ago it was missing the red. Oh. My computer's dead slow. It's been on for about 12 hours, 13 hours. A bit tired. Right. For some reason the images are not showing inside that.
Maybe it's a coding issue.
Yeah, you want to speak to him. Because normally it works. But the way I do it normally works. Right. Yeah, so this is the listing. What you could have here, about us, a small section for the shipping there as well. So it actually gives customers more chances to actually read this information. yeah, and then you've got these boxes at the top.
Yeah.
Yeah, you want to speak to that guy that gave you the template and find out about this little box here.
Yeah.
Yeah, because the image should be working in there, and that'll look quite nice there.
Yeah.
And then you've got the video there.
Yeah.
And then you've got the features of the product.
Yeah.
But bear in mind, you know, we just quickly done that, didn't we? Yeah, so once we picked out some good items, then you can just make that look much more readable, because at the moment, you know, it's not really readable, is it? You know, but you can just log back in there, follow the steps that I've done in the video, and just put your own words in there. Yeah, well, what I'll do with this video, I will upload it to I'll upload it on YouTube anyway for you to watch it again later. Yeah. Yeah, so if I was you, I'd start picking some products out now to put on there.
Yeah, and basically just follow the same steps. Put pictures there, put some videos if you can.
Yeah, so speak to that guy that gave you the template, and because normally we don't use this template, we normally use the other ones. But up the top here, just find out why that image is not showing, because that'll look really nice there.
What image is this the video?
This image here, see this one here with the...
Yeah.
I basically copied that, and I pasted that image into here. You see where my mouse is? Into this big box. And that'll look really good there, because you have the big image there, and then you have the video underneath, and then you'd have the description here, and about us here. And once you start listing more products, they will start showing up here as well, won't they?
Will this product show on our eBay store?
This product's on your eBay store now.
Okay,
Is
so
it? So if we go to which category is it under?
Let's have a look.
Yeah, exactly. It should be at the bottom, or it should be feature products. On that.
Which category do you want this product to go under?
Mini laptop for now.
Mini laptop for now, but I was assuming that even without going inside each category, right at the bottom of the category, you see all your products there that you have in your store.
Yeah, so I'm just looking here where it says active. I'm going to click on active, and then I'm going to go back and I'm going to click on the product. And click on revise. And then I'm going to put it into the category that you wanted. So shop categories, mini laptop.
Yeah.
I'll just put it in there for the time being. Press continue. It might take a bit of time to update. Sometimes it does. Yeah, it's not in there yet.
Okay.
Yeah, it does take a bit of time to update, but eventually that will show up inside that category. You know, because I have actually gone and listed the product and changed it and put it in the correct category, so that should show up. Because if you look in the URL at the top, it says mini laptop, so that should go in there later on. Yeah. So yeah. Do you want to have a play around with it and let me know how you get on?
Yeah, most definitely. I mean, we do that, and I think we should probably wait until that item is now listed in our eBay
Yeah.
shop. Once that is done, then we'll try to list another one in there
Yeah.
by ourselves, running a video, and then
Yeah, we'll get a guy that did the content for us.
Yeah.
To
get them to make
You
sure
know,
that
make sure the coding is kosher, everything is fine.
yeah, and to ensure that image is working. I mean, do we just need to point him toward where our store is so that he can
Yeah,
send it up
definitely.
to us?
Yeah, I'll find the product and send you a link, because then you got something. Then you can send him the link, then can't you? So yeah, I'll just give you the item number, because if you search on eBay with the item number, then that's good enough to find it. That's the eBay item number. So yes, so basically just give him that.
How is the item just listed?
I'll stop I'll stop recording this now, because it will just take forever to upload else. Right.